Hi, love! Happy 30th birthday! Alam kong ayaw mag-30 pero wala kang choice, hindi mo kayang pigilan to. I'm happy you're turning 30 kasi pareho na tayo nasa digit of 30s. 2 years na lang gap ko sa'yo. So, this is your night. Sit back and relax and enjoy it.
Under the tree where the grass don't grow, we made a promise to never get old. You had a chance and you took it on me, and I made a promise that I couldn't keep. Heartache, heartbreak, all over town, but something flipped like a switch when you came around. And I'm in pieces, pick me up and burn me together. Oh, these are the days we've been waiting for. On days like these, who could ask for more? Keep them coming, 'cause we're not done yet. These are the days that we won't regret. These are the days that we won't forget.
Hi, Archie Bird! Happy birthday! Ingat lagi dyan!
Happy birthday!
Surprise! Happy birthday, Bernice! Hope you had a blast on your special day. See you very soon. Miss you! Hi! Happy birthday, Bernice! Say hi to Auntie. Say hi. Hi, Auntie! Hi, Auntie! I hope to meet you soon. Happy birthday! Hi, Bernice! Happy birthday!
Wish you all the best. We miss you.
See you soon!
Hi Bernice, happy birthday. It's your 29th again, right? Anyway, I hope you enjoy, make the most out of the year, and God bless.
Heartbreak all over town, but something flipped like a switch when you came around, and I'm in pieces. Pick me up and put me together. These are the days we've been waiting for. On days like these, who could ask for more? Keep them coming, 'cause we're not done yet. These are the days we won't regret. These are the days we won't forget.
Hi baby, happy birthday. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday, yun lang.
This is John Lloyd, wishing you happy birthday, and pwede ba mag-I love you?
James, I just want to wish you the happiest birthday, and I want to say thank you for everything and for being so nice to me. I miss you already. I hope to see you soon.
These are the days we've been waiting for. Rattle the cage and slam that door, and the world is calling us, but not just yet.
Happy birthday, Bernice. Wishing you all the best.
God bless.
God bless. We love you.
Happy birthday, Shobe.
Hello, Shobe. Happy 35th birthday. Ay! 30 lang pala. 30. Sorry.
Happy birthday.
Ingat ka dyan. Alagaan ka sana ni Manis. Bye-bye.
Bernice, happy birthday! I miss you. Sorry, hindi nag-grant ang request ko. Pero gusto kong malaman mo na miss kita kahit konti lang. Kasi miss ko na yung tinola mo, yung giniling mo, yun yung mga pamatay mong niluluto palagi dati. Tsaka miss ko na yung panonood natin ng The Voice. Wala akong kasama na manood. Tsaka kaya ito dito ang background ko kasi may nakakamiss sa yung isa pa. Yan, namimiss ka na niya. Kasi ikaw lang naman yung nagpapalit nito. Ikaw lang yung may tiyaga magpalit niya. Kaya, ayan, nakikita mo ba kung gano'n na siya kadumi. Ikaw lang kaya may gumagawa niya. Ikaw lang yung may kakayanan yan. Bright girl ka kaya. Ayun. Happy birthday. Miss you.
Hi, birdies! Happy birthday! Hope happy ka today at hope na surprise ka sa surprise ni Manny sa'yo. Miss ka na namin dito sa bahay. Wala nang maarte katulad mo. And, ano nga yun? Sorry, hindi kami makapunta sa birthday mo kasi may mga lakad din kami na hindi namin ma-postpone. Pero sana magkita tayo ulit para makapag-banding tayo at hope matupad yung mga wish mo for this birthday and have a great day today.
Hi Achi, happy birthday. See you soon.
Titi, happy birthday. Sundan mo na si Achi. See you soon. Miss na kita.
Bye-bye.
Love you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Achi!
Hi Barn, happy birthday. Message for you. I wish you happiness, love, okay na yung love, success in your career as a nurse, and all your heart's desire, and all the things that you wish for in your life. And always remember that I'm here for you, me and the rest of the UC, and I'm very glad that you have friends in Singapore willing to surprise you on your special day, and I hope that we can also do the same and with your family as well, together with your family as well. And I wish you more shopping, travel, food galore, and lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay. And always remember that we love you. Okay? Have a great day and happy birthday. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi love, papadala ko sana sa Pinoy Boy Band kaya lang late na. So, sa'yo na lang. Hindi ko man madaan sa kanta yung Harano sa'yo. So, sa forma na lang. I love you. Your hand fits in mine like it's made just for me. But better there's in mine, it was meant to be. I'm joining all the dots with the freckles on your cheeks, and it all makes sense to me. I know you never loved the crinkles by your eyes when you smile. You never loved your stomach or your thighs, the dimples in your back at the bottom of your spine, but I love them endlessly. I won't let this little thing slip out of my mouth, but if I do, it's you. Oh, it's you, day out of two. I'm in love with you. And all these little things. Ikaw lang hinaraan ako. I love you.